Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got KB Shimmer You Autumn Know and Beauty Big Bang 001 and 005. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and here is You Autumn Know by KB Shimmer. So this is acrylic, so it's going to take a little building up, but look how much yummy goodness is in that. So it's crazy, gorgeous. So this is one of the polishes from my fall picks that I'm trying to work through, and we are going to go in with a second coat of this beautiful polish. This just has got fall and Halloween just screaming off of it. I love it. Tapping the end is, make sure nothing's sticking off the edge. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. Thank you so much. And I am going to go in with a third coat just to polish it off. Yeah, polish that rascal off. I will be topping it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat today. And we're going to get it to dry down so we can do some stamping and play with some of these awesome Halloween plates from Beauty Big Bang. Don't forget, if you go to order, you can use my Beauty Big Bang code and get some 10% off your order. It'll be down in the description box. There's my swatch photo of it all on its own, and here we go with the plates. And I'll be using Brave's Diva on the black stamping polish, as well as my Conad stamper and my Beauty scraper. Sorry, I have to use the moon with the witch. I have to. It's just, love this image. I don't place it on my nails so perfectly, but it's all good. I could still tell it was a moon with witch in it, so that is all good in my book. She is adorable. I love that acrylic peeking out from underneath. And I love this image over here with the hanging bats. They're so cute. We have bats here at our house that we watch fly over the house along the tree line every evening. They don't bother us, so we're good with it. Get that all turned around and ta-da! There's some little bats. And I'm doing this other image that's got a lot of the jack-o'-lanterns on it. I just decided to do different images from both of these plates. This one's cool because it's got jack-o'-lanterns and bats and, just getting down with that Halloween motif. And this image over here with the ghost, I knew it was going on my nails as soon as I got to play with this plate, because it's one of my favorites. I have a lot of favorites on these plates. The shame is I only got 5 nails to play with today with this plates. But that's okay. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And then I love this little skeleton man over on the side. I don't know what he's playing, a flute, a clarinet, I don't know. But he's playing some kind of instrument, and I just thought he was cute. And he would fit on my pinky really well. So here we go. We're going to apply that little guy right there. Cuteness. Tap, tap. Make sure it's all stuck. I am going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess off of my skin. Tape is working really well today. There we go. And I will be using my cleanup brush to do just the tiniest bit of cleanup here. And I will be using the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. It's magic in a bottle as far as I'm concerned. I can't tell y'all how many manicures I have ruined smudging my design. And once that's completely dry, I'll be using the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls as my final top coat. And this is just going to make it really glossy and gorgeous and make it last. I like that. For as long as I'm going to wear it, Capping my free edge here. So I do have a swatch photo or two coming up. Hi Woody, how you doing? I'll have to do my thumbs separately because, it was by itself. But I would love to hear what you think about my manicure. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.